Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful adaptogenic herbs in the world, Schisandra, also known as the five-flavor berry. This incredible fruit has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and modern science is now proving what healers have known all along. Schisandra is a true powerhouse for energy, longevity, and overall vitality. So, let's uncover Schisandra's incredible health benefits, why supplementation can be so important, and how it can help you achieve optimal health at any age. Schisandra is a bright red berry native to China and parts of Russia. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's known as wu wei zi, meaning five-flavor fruit: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and pungent, all in one berry. This unique flavor profile represents its ability to balance multiple systems in the body, from the liver and lungs to the heart, kidneys, and mind. Schisandra is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress, whether physical, emotional, or environmental. Its most essential role includes supporting liver health by enhancing detoxification, improving energy and endurance at the cellular level, balancing stress hormones like cortisol, protecting the brain and supporting mental clarity, boosting the immune system so your body stays strong against illness. Now let's dive into the science-backed health benefits of Schisandra: liver protection and detoxification. Schisandra is one of the best natural protectors of the liver. It supports detox pathways, helps regenerate liver tissue, and may protect against damage from toxins, alcohol, and even medications. Stress reduction and mood support. As an adaptogen, Schisandra helps calm the nervous system while boosting resilience. This means fewer mood swings, less fatigue, and more balanced energy throughout the day. Boosts energy and endurance. Athletes love Schisandra because it increases stamina and oxygen efficiency, making workouts feel easier and recovery faster. Cognitive function and memory. Schisandra helps protect brain cells and supports memory, focus, and mental clarity. This is especially beneficial for older adults who want to stay sharp. Hormonal and sexual health. Schisandra has been traditionally used to enhance libido, balance hormones, and support reproductive health for both men and women. Stronger immunity. With its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, Schisandra strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections naturally. Healthy skin and anti-aging. Schisandra supports collagen production, reduces redness, and gives the skin a natural glow. It's even been called a natural beauty berry in Asia for centuries. Because Schisandra is not a vitamin or mineral you're deficient in, symptoms don't appear the way they would with vitamin D or magnesium. However, if your body lacks what Schisandra provides, you may notice chronic fatigue and low stamina, poor stress tolerance, frequent illness or slow recovery, brain fog or lack of focus, dull or aging skin, sluggish liver function. These are all signs your body could benefit from Schisandra's balancing and restorative effects. Schisandra can be consumed in several forms: dried berries used in teas or tinctures, powdered extract easy to mix into smoothies, capsules or supplements most convenient option, liquid tinctures for fast absorption. When choosing a supplement, always look for standardized extracts from trusted sources to ensure purity and potency. I've listed a trusted source for high-quality Schisandra supplements in the comments below, so be sure to check that out if you're considering adding Schisandra to your daily routine. As we age, our bodies naturally lose resilience. The liver has a harder time detoxifying, stress has a bigger impact, and energy levels decline. For older adults, Schisandra can be a true ally. It helps the liver process toxins more efficiently. It boosts memory and brain function. It reduces fatigue and improves daily energy. It strengthens the immune system to ward off illness. This makes Schisandra one of the most important adaptogens for healthy aging. So there you have it, Schisandra, the five-flavor berry that supports your liver, brain, energy, skin, and so much more. If you want to reduce stress, boost energy, and age gracefully, Schisandra may be the natural solution you've been searching for. Be sure to check the trusted supplement link in the comments below if you're ready to explore it further. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Healing Supplements videos, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. I'd also love to hear from you. Have you ever tried Schisandra? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep nourishing your body with nature's wisdom.